Guys, it's Pop Tart Cat 180 AJ here, and
Peggy! No, it's just little
okay,
Johnny.
so today we are going to be doing some dares that have been suggested from some of my Amino fans, and we only got one, so we had to make up our own dares. But the person who did make the dare, which will be the first dare we're doing, is Sonic Chips. Now, it has a bunch of
Emojis.
accents on it and emojis. So I'm just going to tell you guys one of their posts. It's Do You Know Me? And it's a poll. And it says like, nope, kind of, barely, okay, we're friends, best friends. And if you find that post, then, and it's the same thing pretty much we just said, then you found the right person. And accents are like those things like the cross and the O and all of those, if
How
you
do you
know it.
get accent?
You just hold down on the letter.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah. So anyways, today, like I said, we're going to be doing some dares. So the first one is go yell at Alden, get off our lawn. And we are going to be doing that. So we're going to Coral
Because we love
Canyons.
each other like sisters.
Yes. We own this lawn. So hopefully I'm
Wait,
spawned in Alden. No, I did
let me
not.
try and.
I
Oh,
just
wait,
need
here.
to go in
Dang,
Alden.
I just got it.
Okay. Well, it doesn't matter which Alden we're in, so I'm just going to do the Alden Jamont Township.
I'm just
And I'm
gonna.
going to say,
I got it. Wait.
okay, in three,
Wait,
two,
no.
oh, okay. We will say it when she's done typing.
I'm a very slow.
Okay, in three, two, one, go.
Get off our lawn. Come on. Get off our lawn.
This is my swamp. Okay, so the next dare is actually pretty much what I just said. Scream in Belush, which is like the swampish area. What are you doing in my swamp? Which is in Shrek, if you didn't know. You probably did if you've seen the movie. And I'm a big Shrek fan. Like, I
Yes,
like
she
all the
is.
band Shrek.
She has so many movies. Like Shrek is love, Shrek is
Oh, do
life.
not watch that, please. I beg you. It's very inappropriate. So,
That one with Adolf Hitler.
yeah. So, it's on my Musical.ly actually, which is Jenny LPSXD. Now, my name isn't Jenny, but don't ask. So, meet me in Belush, and we have to dress up as Shrek too.
Yep.
So, I have that pre-made.
I don't, because I'm not smart.
Well, you did, but
I did.
you did.
There's no one here.
Let me
Remember that
look
one tour
around.
guide? Remember that tour guide? He's like,
We
I
need to
am
go.
legend.
We need to go to a different server and Belush. That is. We need to do a different server. Usually, I like an empty server because I can take pictures. Oh, there's someone here.
Yay.
Okay, some people are here, so I'm just gonna look wherever they went.
What?
Hopefully, there's still someone there here. I think they might have left though.
Oh, there's someone. I found him. Should I scream?
Yeah. Do it. What?
They're running away from me.
Get out of my swamp!
Oh, they're
Wait,
running away from me
they're
now.
running into my swamp though.
Yeah, I know. What are you doing in my swamp?
What? What?
There's another I can't wait till there's like this person they're like, I'm chilling in your swamp.
What
This
are you
person's just
doing
looking at me
in
like,
my
what's wrong with you?
swamp?
They're like,
That's the same person that was role playing earlier.
I know.
Oh my gosh, I remember them. What are you doing in my swamp?
You're invisible on my screen.
That's sad. Run. Okay, so the next dare is yell in really any place. The British are coming. Hide your
Because
biscuits.
why not?
So I'm just going to go into the look I was in the first place. And me and her will, when she gets her look on,
Mm-hmm. Sorry,
which,
I did not think this through. Obviously.
oh no, it's that glitch. Just leave it. Just
No.
leave it. It's fine.
That's
Just make it a cute pattern. Okay, so
Oh, wait.
so she has the
Wait, one sec.
glitch.
The glitch in the pattern. The pattern isn't there. I'm just gonna fix it real quick.
Oh, try to do the eyes too while you can.
Oh well.
Oh
It's
well,
just
we
eyes.
just have to deal with
My
it.
eyes usually look
I
like this
mean, you
anyway.
guys remember.
What? It's not. Pattern's not showing up on your screen.
You know what? It's fine.
It's
It's
fine.
fine.
It's fine.
It doesn't matter.
It's really squirrels.
How about you just go into a different animal? You know,
Yeah.
because then we won't have to worry about it not looking like you.
I'm just gonna go into
Go into that one.
yeah. This is
That one's pretty.
It's pretty.
My friend made that. I mean, I think so.
She
Maybe
did a good job.
maybe I did. I can't remember
Whoever
now.
did whoever did it did a good job.
Yeah, that's right, homies. Okay, so we are going to be going to Roleplay Central, of course, and we are going to be saying it because that is where all the action happens, and we need to make this roleplay a party group.
We're not Alden, are we? Oh,
There's Jelly Jones here.
and Edgy Jones, little jelly bean.
Okay, I honestly need to buddy them so I remember that name, because I need that. I need that in my life.
Oh my god.
I'm
It won't let me go down the slide. How could it?
okay.
It's evil. Wait. You got the colors wrong, dude. Be behind me. Well, you're Edgy Jones. Jones is edgy, but not as edgy.
Do you think we should say hide your tea instead because of the British Tea Party?
Boston Tea Party.
Yeah, but that's what I meant. Let's do it. And then,
Alright, you can say tea, I'll say biscuit.
okay, that sounds like a good plan. And there's only a few people here, but we can still do it. So you are coming.
Mm-hmm.
So you are just gotten done. So just come with me.
Oh god.
Yeah, that computer is pretty old.
Oh well.
Okay, you're not on my screen. Where are you? Okay, there you go.
The British are coming. Hide your biscuit.
And your tea because of the Boston
Boston
Tea
Tea
Party. I messed up.
This person's like, yep.
They're hiding their iced tea.
Yeah. This person's like XD.
So we have one more dare, and that is to dress up as famous jammers. Go into Jamal Township, hide in a crowd, and act like we are the famous jammers. And that is our last dare.
Yep.
So I'm going to be dressing as Twinkle0122, and she is going to dress as Jelly Jones. And I'm actually going to keep this look because it's cute. And I'm stealing
the best part
her
is
look.
we're surrounded by Edgy Joneses and
Jelly Jones. They got the sword wrong though. It's not even the right color. That's sad.
Wrong. Isn't that the office sword?
No, that's a different sword. It's the stone sword. Everyone forgets about it. It's practically invisible.
I'm just gonna get out.
Okay, I'm
I'm
hidden in a crowd. I'm hidden in a very well done crowd. Look, I'm.
Hey, Jelly Jones.
Oh, I know.
Jelly Jones, guys.
This is the best way to hide your identity. I don't think anyone's gonna react because they're not going to think I'm the real one. And she's eating gum. But you know.
I'm not eating gum. I'm chewing gum.
Well, you popped it. yeah, I know.
Just in case me.
Of course.
Oh yes, I got it.
But wait, before people click on you. Okay, someone jammergrammed me for probably no apparent. No, we're not going to your death. I'm gonna look like I'm filming. Hey guys, It's me.
Do you think I'm hiding good enough? No.
People can still kind of see that, and it's a link. So there, that's perfect. You can keep that look on the account unless you want the item back.
This is hard.
Here, hide behind the diamond shop like me. Yeah, my brother's like screaming in the background. And that's my cat's food.
Food. Because who doesn't like food? Just a little bit up. This is
So
not
we'll
cute.
check on Jelly Jones. Hello,
Hi,
Jelly.
Twinkle. Hi, Twinkle.
Okay, guys, let's go back to my den.
Yeah, please.
So we can
No one noticed us.
So we can do the
We aren't
conclusion.
senpais.
We are not senpais.
We're bad senpais.
Yeah. So let's sit next to this. Let's sit here.
Can I read a book? No. Okay.
No. Those are my books.
Okay.
This is my swamp.
What are you doing in my...
What are you doing in my
My hair's
swamp?
still wet.
Warning headphone users. Okay, guys.
Yeah, you warned them after.
After the whole video. Okay, so
Smart.
that is going to conclude this video. If you have any dares you would like us to do, comment below. Remember the rules: no sexual harassment, no
Nothing that can get us banned, suspended, or blocked.
yeah, anything like that. We don't want to do. We need to keep this PGA for our younger viewers. And
Because
remember
they have
to like this video and please share it so this channel can grow and
and
then
be famous.
yeah.
Like normal people.
But
we are definitely normal.
yeah, totally.
We go to school. We've never dropped out of school, right?
I'm just kidding. We haven't. But yeah, that's going to conclude this video and thank you guys so much for watching. And we will see you guys in our next video, which will probably be that roleplay that I mentioned earlier. And I can't wait to make it. So bye guys.
Bye.